Okay, today's the big day, Friday, March 1st. We're going to finally hear the closing arguments from both sides, from Fani Willis attorneys, Trump attorneys, and Michael Roman's attorney. And then we're going to also hear possibly what Judge McAfee will decide. I'm going to tell you exactly kind of what could happen, what are the potential outcomes. But before I do, I just want to say this. Make sure that you join us. We're going live today, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m. Pacific Time. We're going to be going live during the trial commentary from me. We're going to have a bunch of people there. We had an amazing live stream last time, so I would highly suggest, I'll leave a link to it in the pinned comment, but I would highly suggest you subscribe, follow, hit the bell notification so you don't miss out, because we are going to go live. Okay. Here's what could potentially happen in today's case, what we could potentially hear from Judge McAfee when it comes to Fani, the G thug, Willis, and Nathan. I can't, tell how many girls I got Wade, and Terrence, I don't recall Bradley. So check this out. If Judge McAfee believes Willis and Wade lied to him, he could A, throw them in jail, B, refer them to law enforcement, C, refer them to the state bar, D, dismiss the charges, or E, am I doing the alphabet right? I think so. Kick Willis and team off the case. There's a lot of legal analysts that say, this is a slam dunk case. I'm not a legal expert, but, I'm a rhetoric and communications expert. And so I've been following this closely. You guys have been joining me. Tons of videos on this topic. Tons of, we got the text messages. We got Mr. I Don't Recall, Dr. I Don't Recall Bradley, stuttering, mumbling, and fumbling in court. Nathan Wade lying. A whole bunch of stuff has come out. A lot of legal analysts say this is a slam dunk. It's over. But this is life. And there's also a lot of legal analysts that say, well, because Judge McAfee is really in a tough position, they've got an election coming up in May. He may push this out and not actually come up with a decision, or he may cave in altogether to the establishment. Where have we seen that before? Anyway, moving on. If Judge McAfee isn't satisfied that Fani Willis has a conflict of interest or that she hasn't perpetuated a fraud, he can deny the motion to dismiss and disqualify Fani Willis, in which case the defense would mostly appeal. On the other hand, if Judge McAfee rules for the defense and dismisses the case or disqualifies Fani Willis, then she can appeal to the Georgia Court of Appeals and potentially the Georgia Supreme Court. That's pretty huge. If Judge McAfee disqualifies Fani Willis but doesn't dismiss the case, the Georgia Prosecuting Attorney's Council would have to decide whether to send the case to another DA in the state. And if so, who? Which DA? Wow, this is really, really interesting. A lot of things coming up. So this is really, really interesting. And a lot of legal analysts are kind of saying they're not really sure what Judge McAfee is going to do. It's really, really interesting what could happen. If you've been following us, if you've been following what we've been talking about and exposing, lie after lie, deceit after deceit, Terrence Bradley is a huge, I think, explosion and implosion for Fani Willis in her case, but she's crafty. She is sly. She is slick. And I think she is a absolute, I'm just going to say this. I'm probably going to get a lot of hate for this, but I actually think Fani Willis is rotten from the inside out. I don't think she has a bone in her body that has any integrity. You saw her in court, it's a lie. It's a lie. No, this is all a lie. She acted a fool in court, completely unprofessional. I think she makes a lot of people look bad. I've gotten a lot of comments from DAs and prosecutors saying she makes us all look bad. So, I think she's rotten to the core. And I think if we don't get the right judgment call, if we don't get something that at least dismisses her or at least perjury, some type of charge of perjury, lying under oath, I would be not only deeply shocked, but deeply saddened, because that would be a grave injustice. But again, I want to turn this over to you. What do you guys think? This is a short video, just a preview of what's going to come today. I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments, what do you think Judge McAfee's going to do? What do you think the closing arguments are going to entail? I would love to hear from you. Again, don't forget, we're going live today, 1 p.m. Eastern Time, 10 a.m., 1, 12, 11. Yeah, 3 hours ahead. I had to do the math in my head. 10 a.m. Pacific Time, because I'm on the West Coast. 10 a.m. Pacific Time, we're going to be going live during the trial. You don't want to miss this. It's going to be explosive. Buckle up. Get your popcorn. Get your snacks. Sit back, relax. Call in sick for work. It's worth it. No, I don't want you to get in trouble with work. But if you're at work, can I have the phone, on the side over there maybe, and just kind of check us out? Subscribe, because it's absolutely free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and it will be a subscriber-only chat. So I do that to protect from all the bots and protect from all the spam. So all you gotta do is, if you want to engage in the liveliest live stream chat of all time, all you have to do is subscribe. There's no limit or no duration time, just subscribe. I'll also leave a link in this video to our free newsletter. You don't want to miss out on that. Our free newsletter is your sure-proof way of never missing out on the latest news, updates, current events, every new video, new live stream that we put out. Because sometimes even when you subscribe and follow and you hit the bell notification, sometimes you still don't get it. Get it directly to your inbox. It's free. We don't spam. We don't share your email. Get it directly to your inbox. That's the best way to do it. Check out these videos right here if you want to. I'll also leave a link here to the upcoming live stream. You can click on that if you're watching this later, or maybe we're live right now while you're watching this. Come on over and join us. As always, God bless you. God bless your family. And God bless the United States of America. I'll see you really soon.